Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your document and immediately selecting the word you want to turn into a link. Once selected, decide whether the target is a web URL, an email address, or a specific location inside the document. Make sure you have the exact URL or email copied to your clipboard. This avoids typing errors. Next, use the keyboard shortcut Control plus K on Windows or Command plus K on Mac to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. This is your first actionable step toward creating a reliable link. With the dialog open, paste the URL or email into the address field and confirm the display text matches the highlighted word. This ensures clarity for readers. If linking inside the document, select an existing heading or enter a bookmark name as the anchor. Make sure to choose absolute URLs for external sites to avoid broken links when files move. Use relative paths for local project folders. Once configured, click OK and immediately test the link by clicking or using Ctrl plus click to verify it navigates correctly. To finish, switch to reading or preview mode and activate the link to confirm it lands where you expect. This final check catches typos and permissions issues. If the link fails, reopen the hyperlink dialog, correct the URL, or update the bookmark anchor and retest. Make sure document protection or network restrictions aren't blocking navigation. One key troubleshooting tip: if a link looks right but won't open, copy the URL into a browser to isolate whether Word or the destination is the problem. Then fix the source accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.